is the meaning of the word bat? Has ears and it is used in the story above. A large wooden stick used to play baseball. A small flying animal with wings like a bird.
Harry
leaned
Good.
down to look under the frame.
Yeah, frame of the car. Frame of a car. You see, that's a frame. Look under the frame. Okay. So Harry leaned down to look under the
frame of the car, and he and Grandpa had been working on Grandpa's new truck all afternoon. They were tightening the final
final screw. Yeah, what's that?
Screw.
Yeah, so they were tightening the final
screw when
Harry
had a strange flapping
sound.
He looked up and gasped,
a pear. Okay, it's not pot. What's that?
Pot. Pear.
Okay.
This pot. Pear. Pear. Pair of black wings were
swooping. Okay, goes down quickly. Swoop like a bird. Swoop down. Okay, swoop down. What's that?
Address.
Good.
Address.
Okay. To write and on an envelope
of the address. Okay.
That I have addressed the letter.
Okay, address. I have written the address. The address is
verb.
Swoop. The eagle swooped down.
Swoop.
Okay.
To fly down through the air. Suddenly, a hawk swooped down and caught a rabbit in the field.
Swoop.
Okay. A pair of black wings were
swooping down over their heads. Grandpa was about to stand up when Harry shouted, "Watch out for the bat."
Okay, which one?
This one. This one.
Okay, can read it.
A small flying animal with wings like a bird.
Okay.
Summit.
Yeah. Okay.
What is the meaning of the word glasses? Glasses, as it is used in the story above. Clear containers that are made to hold drinks and other liquids. Two clear plastic pieces in a frame that help people see better.
Okay.
I know that they are here somewhere.
Kiki.
Kiki thought. She peeked behind the TV. She looked under her bed, on her desk, and in her backpack. She even checked inside the refrigerator.
Okay, fridge. Okay.
There, where did my new glasses go? She touched the top of her hands and her head and laughed. Well, I guessed I had them this whole time.
So where are the glass? Where are the glasses?
On her body. She touched the top of her head.
Okay, where are the glasses?
Her head.
No, top of the head.
She said with a sigh. She pulled them down over her eyes.
Okay, which one?
This two clean plastic pieces in a frame that help people see better.
Okay, not necessarily plastic, it's glass. Okay.
Summit.
Yeah. Let's read it. There is
a problem with my chest. Compute captain. Rabbit complained. He looked closely at the old word, which was faithful.
falling
apart. The
rusty. Okay, rusty. Yeah, see, rusty. Okay, rusty knock. Okay.
The rusty luckily.
No. This what's up? What's up? Oh,
Swoop. To fly down, though the air suddenly a hawk swooped down and caught a rabbit in the field.
Okay.
Swoop. Rusty.
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 Okay, rusty.
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 Okay, rusty. Okay, by rust. Okay.
By rust.
Affected by rust.
Affected by rust.
Okay. You see, you don't use it for many years, it stay here and it becomes rusty. Okay, things become rusty. Okay. What's that?
Adjective.
Okay. Rusty. Okay, can I spell it?
Rusty. Rusty.
Okay.
Rusty.
Rusty. The rusty lock.
Good, it's knock, not a rock. Okay. What's that?
Rock.
Good, that's knock. here is rusty.
rock,
Yeah, rusty lock. Okay. The rusty
rock, bark, the rusty rock, wouldn't keep out even the weakest
good
of nice
mice. Plural of mouse.
mouse.
Okay.
I guess I'd better hide my gold somewhere else, he said, sighing. Captain Wrinkle,
It's a color.
rabbit walked through his
Parrot.
parrot.
Okay. Parrot. They just take things from other people. Parrot. You see. Parrot.
Ship and searched for a better spot.
Okay.
There's a problem with my chest.
Okay.
What is the meaning of the word chest as it is used in the story above?
Okay.
A box with a locked lid used for keeping things safe. The front of the baby body between the neck and the smooth stomach.
Okay.
Between the neck and the stomach.
Okay. So which one?
This one.
Okay.
In the stomach.
No. Read it.
A box with a lock lid used for keeping things safe.
Okay.
Summit.
Yeah.
Summit.
Okay. Let's read it this.
PronounceNames.com.
Tavi Gevinson.
Tavi.
Tavi Gevinson.
Okay.
Taffy.
Okay. Tavi.
Taffy stopped beside her with a
Questioning.
questioning.
Yeah, questioning. Okay. Questioning. He's thinking about something. What's up?
Rusty. 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 Rusty.
Questioning.
Questioning.
Can we stop? Questioning.